Hello from South Beach once again, and the last time for today, probably on this 2nd of January 2024. It is 10:15 a.m. and I have only 45 minutes until the checkout time from my hotel. But luckily, I'm very close, just 10 minutes away from this spot. I'm somewhere on the Collins Street 16, I think, or something, and my hotel is on the 18th Street, so it's quite near. And I have been walking around this South Beach all the way down to South Point Park. I see it there in the distance. And I also taken made a short walk at Ocean Drive and made also a video there. I'm not sure if I'm going to post it, but I also saw the Versace mansion where the famous designer Versace was shot in front of that house. I have seen the series about that. There's a TV show. I'm not sure of the name of the show, but it is about Versace. And yes, then it is time for the last swim in Miami for now, before I go on the cruise to the Caribbean. So let's go and enjoy the last swim for today, as I will need to check out and then take the bus to the port of Miami. It's around 40 minutes ride. It's quite easy to get, and Miami has a pretty good public transport so far I have seen. And yeah, this is how the beach looks like at 10:15 on 2nd of January 2025. There are lots of sunbeds, but they are pretty empty today. And as it is not a red day today, it's 2nd of January. And yeah, but I guess there are lots of tourists that have, that are taking off days off like me, because it was very easy to get one full month, but taking just 15 days for the Christmas and the New Year's holidays and around. So let's then go in for a swim, and we have some slightly strong waves here as well in Miami Beach today. The water is somewhat clean, but there are a few stuff here and there that makes it a bit suspicious, but it's still the Caribbean Sea. It's very clean overall and super salty as well. So ready, set, and go! Amazing, so nice. Yet another swim at Miami Beach, Florida. Look at how it looks. It's so beautiful and picturesque, with all the big buildings and all the palm trees and the sea. Not to mention that as well, because that's the main reason. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the Caribbean cruise that will be coming up. Let's see if it's going to be a blast or I won't to go once again. But yes, so that is a wrap then from South Beach in Miami, Florida on the 2nd of January. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me today, and see you soon again with another Beach Adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!